How to fix WhatsApp ban problem. So if you want to fix your WhatsApp ban problem, then first open up your WhatsApp application and go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and go for settings. And under your settings, here you can simply go for help, which is on the last option. And under your help, you can again go for help center. And now here you will have the search bar. Tap on the search bar and then search for ban. And here you will have about account bans. Tap on that, and here if your account has been banned, then it says that you need to email to WhatsApp. So simply tap on email us, and after that here you can go for contact us again. Now you can scroll down, and here you need to enter your country code and then your phone number of your WhatsApp account. And after entering your phone number, enter your email address and then again confirm your email address. And if you're using your WhatsApp on your Android, choose that, or your iPhone, or your web and desktop and other. And here you need to enter your message. You need to enter that my WhatsApp has been banned and I need to unban my account. So please help me with that. And after that you can simply go for next step, which is on the bottom of your screen, and after that your problem will be fixed. So you will get a mail from WhatsApp within 24 hours, and after that you will get some instructions on how to unban your account. So that's it. That's how you fix your WhatsApp ban problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.